welcome to our cave. I am so hungry. I want pizza, pasta, ice cream. Oh, since you're so hungry, let me make rainbow pasta. What are the colors in the rainbow? Wow, so beautiful. Wow, I love it. Ah, yellow color is missing. Let's make yellow noodles. Wow. Yellow! Do you know unicorn lives on rainbow? Can you help me choose one? No.
Huh?
No. Aha! I found you. Smells good. Let me take some dough. Mix it. Put it in the noodles maker. Close and press. See these yellow noodles. Oh, look at this. Put it on the plate. Rainbow noodles are ready. Here you go. Wow, looks so delicious. Where's my pizza? Right on it. Let's make the pizza base. Our pizza base is ready. Let's add the toppings. Olives, meat. We are done with the toppings. Yay, let's put it in the oven. Close the door. Set the temperature. Oh, it's done. Our pizza is ready. Let's cut some slices. Delicious pizza on your way. Look delicious. Where's my ice cream? Let's make strawberry ice cream. You know the drill. Take some Play-Dough. Mix it. Put in the machine. Roll and squeeze. Strawberry ice cream is ready. Yummy! Here you go. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.